One thing you need to understand about Facebook content monetization policy issue is that it is really caused by a violation that you did on your account. So many people have come to tell me since Facebook monetization started in Nigeria that they didn't violate any rule, yet they still got flagged by Meta or Facebook. But I need to assure you that if you go through Meta's rules or their policy issues, you understand the fact that they have a lot of rules surrounding monetization and all of that, different from what you know about posting on Facebook. Okay, so when you read it through, you understand that you already violated something very important to them or against their monetization policy. So for this reason, they flag you for it and you need to resolve it before you can be able to monetize your Facebook account or monetize your content on Facebook. So but in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of solving this issue quickly and easy. It has worked for so many, because in the last video that I did, so many people came to me and said that this particular thing worked for them, and I'm going to be sharing new tips and new tricks on how to resolve it quickly and easy. But for you to resolve this, you need to understand that there are so many things that can cause your account to be flagged for policy issue or policy whatsoever. So and even if you're monetized, if you keep on repeating the same thing, you're going to be demonetized and flagged for the same issue again, and that is another problem on its own. Okay, so you need to understand that there are so many posts that you cannot make on Facebook. So according to Facebook, not all content suitable for the timeline are worthy to be monetized. So what this means is that you might be free to post whatever you want to post on your Facebook. You have your own Facebook, so you can post whatever content you want to post, but as soon as you want to monetize your account, that means you want to take or partake in sharing the ads revenue that Facebook is generating. So there are some specific content that is expected of you. You don't need to post hateful content, you don't need to post sexual related content, you don't accept hateful content and engagement bait. So if you had made a post in the past relating to any of this, you need to delete them. That's the first step to resolving Facebook monetization issue. So once you're done deleting them, I'm going to walk you through the path of resolving this issue. So just make sure you've deleted everything that have caused your account to be flagged for this policy issue. So let's get to resolve the issue now. I'm going to show you two ways that you can use to resolve this issue. So if you don't want to follow the first one, you can actually go through the second one. Both of them works, and it works perfectly if you follow it diligently. So once you're done deleting everything that might have caused the violations, what you need to do is to go to your professional dashboard. Once you get to the professional dashboard, you click on page recommendation. When you get to page recommendation, you're going to click on page status. So once you click on your page status, it's going to show you if you've deleted everything or if you have any recent violations. But once you check and the violations are not there anymore, then you're going to go back and you're good to go to the next round. But if there are still any violations, they are going to list everything for you and you're going to go back to your timeline to delete everything. But if there is any violation, you're going to see the list here, so you can go to your timeline and delete everything. So once you're done deleting them, it's going to be empty like this. So the next thing you're going to do is to go to the report problem section on your page. So once you get here, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on report a problem. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to show you this very page, and the thing you're going to do is that you're going to file a report. The report is going to be according to the problem you're experiencing, and this time around we're experiencing Facebook content monetization policy issue. So you're going to include the problem on there. So what you're going to be doing is to take a screenshot. This screenshot is going to take automatically once you click on take the screenshot button. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is that you should go back to that professional page where you're experiencing that problem and take the particular screenshot. So on this column, all you're going to be doing is that you're going to fill in this exact write-up that I filled here. Fill in this exact write-up that I'm writing down here. So just fill it exactly, because this is what works. I have used it and I've experimented it with some other people that have shared the same template too. So you'll be filling it exactly as I wrote it here. So here is the template. In case if you didn't see it very well, you can request for the template under the comment section and I will send it to you. So after writing it, just send it and it will go through. But remember, this doesn't end here. You need to do another thing. There is another step that you need to follow, because you're going to prove to Facebook that you are the actual account owner, that it's not bots writing to them or it's not someone that is trying to manipulate something. So you need to go live at least 20 minutes every day, and you need to stretch it for like 5 days to prove to Facebook that you are the actual owner of the account. So you need to be going live at least 20 minutes every day for like 5 days. It doesn't even cost anything, it doesn't cost any amount, it doesn't cost you anything or any resource. You just need to go live, and you don't even need to be present. Just you can just place your phone somewhere and it will be live. So it's automatically a live session if you do that. Okay, so you need to go live for 20 minutes. So I forgot to tell you that even as a new account, you can still get to experience this, because for a new account you are assumed to be non-existent to the platform. So you also need to post like 30 days consecutively, and you also need to go live on the platform to prove that you are human. So you still need to do something, even if you don't want to go through the stress of solving it the other way. Even if you open another account, you're still going to experience the same thing, and you still need to repeat the same process again. Okay, so after doing that, you're just going to wait while you go live, and Facebook is going to resolve it for you. So but if this one is too stressful for you, I'm going to tell you another method that has worked, and it's been proven by so many people to resolve the issue for them. So the next thing you're going to do is to contact Facebook one-on-one. You're going to speak with them one-on-one and chat with them. You can get to talk with them and speak with them on phone. Like mine, as I did mine, I spoke with them. I had a conversation with them, real life conversation with someone working on Meta, and I had a phone discussion with the person. So they helped me resolve it. As you can see from this place, this is a real life conversation with Facebook, and they helped me resolve it. It didn't even take any time, and they resolved the issue for me. So what you'll be doing is that you should go to your browser and type business.facebook.com. So it's going to lead you to this particular dashboard. Once you get there, you're going to click on get support and search policy issues. So once you search on it, you're going to create a support ticket. So you get to contact with them and talk with them one-on-one. As you can see from this screenshot above, I contacted them and I spoke with them one-on-one, and also had a real life conversation, like a phone call with them, because they requested to speak with me on phone to ask me some necessary things to get to be sure if I am the owner of the account. And they even gave me a free template on what I'm going to write when writing some of my support issues. Okay, so after doing this, they are going to resolve it instantly. So these are the proven ways that can help you resolve this Facebook monetization issues. Is either you use the first formula or you use the second one. Okay, so remember that if you don't solve this issue, you're not going to monetize your account, you're not going to get paid by Facebook. So you need to act up and do something to help resolve these policy issues in your account. And also, don't forget to keep on going live. Okay, don't relax. You need to keep on going live for you to be able to resolve this issue. I know this will be helpful for you, so hit the like button and like this video. So if you need more help on getting your Facebook account resolved and solving the policy issue, you can drop a comment on the comment box and I'll walk you through the process. I'll be glad to see you resolve this issue on your account. So please like this video and drop a comment. If you need more videos like this about solving your Facebook monetization issues and everything about Facebook and growing your YouTube channel, you can subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you for watching to this extent, and see you in my next video. Bye.